I'm really excited to show them what they can achieve in this home. I think there's going to be so many design elements that we can implement for them, but this is going to be what's going to get us over the line, I think, for the rebuild.
So thank you for having us out here to show us this beautiful home that you guys are currently working on. Tell us what you love about this place.
My favourite parts of this property would be the multi-clad look that this home has. It has a number of different looks. It has the recycled red brick, it has the Bondor. On the inside was to bring that sort of industrial feel. The big thing for these clients was entertaining and to make the most of their swim spa, to make the most of this view, which you can just sort of see through here. But yeah, looking out over the view, sitting back in that spa, having a wine was one of the briefs for these clients. So yeah, it come together really well.
So obviously this is quite a bit to take in terms of the space. So what are you thinking about the aesthetics of it?
I'm actually really loving this kitchen. I like the long bench. I'm not a massive fan of the sink being in it, but because there's so much of it, it doesn't matter too much. And I love an underbench oven too.
Yes, yeah.
The dark top's beautiful, and all the drawers. Oh, it's really lovely actually.
When we walked in, Linnell and I looked at each other and said, this is the type of place we want to end up with.
Oh, wow. How's this for a master bedroom? Holy moly.
Oh, Carrie, hello.
So guys, how luxurious is this?
This is divine.
So this was the actual cladding that Lee was talking about, the Bondor cladding. So this is a pre-finished board, so it comes this colour, or any colour you would like. It's well insulated, and for that rebuild budget, back on track. So I know this is a fantastic house and it's going to be hard to choose, but what are some of your favourite aspects of this build?
I'd have to say the natural light, the open plan, the array of finishes, which really does flick my switch.
I do, I love the kitchen, I love the massive bench. Obviously the butler's pantry is a big sell for me. Yeah, and that walk-in robe.
The master suite. Wow, a lot to take in and just sort of park all the ideas away, and you guys have a big decision to make. Rebuild.
So it's not much of a decision now, is it?